Agenda item number 10. This one here is, yes, I would say controversial. Is that the right word? I'm looking for a word here. So can we have an explanation for starters, please?
Bishop, this agenda item is for approval to spend an additional $900,000 for the Three Waters maintenance contract that was let to Fulton Hogan, commencing on 1 July 2011. At that time, the tender schedule was developed based on historical knowledge on quantities. Those quantities have proven to be incorrect. I'm now seeking to increase the value of the contract.
So if the quantities were incorrect, who was the quantity surveyor that issued the figures?
That I'm not sure of.
In-house, out-of-house?
It would have been done in-house.
Well, I don't need to know any more than that. Yeah, I don't want to put people's names in the block. So we got the figures wrong that we gave to the tenderers.
The figures weren't wrong. It's just that there were the amount or the quantities have been more than what we expected at that time. So they're not wrong.
So which quantities? Wastewater, freshwater?
It's over the full range of
So we got them all wrong, all three. Well, not wrong. We calculated them not quite correctly.
Yeah. The Three Waters contract is partly reactive and partly proactive. So you're trying to establish at the beginning of the contract period what sort of things might occur through the 3-year period of the